Our all-new Mazda building is finally open for business, and we're making service easier than ever. Walk-ins are welcome, but to ensure you receive the fastest service available, please call or go online to set an appointment before heading this way. When you arrive, please wait in your car until a service advisor comes out to greet you. Your advisor will perform a quick walk around with you to inspect your vehicle and make sure any issues or concerns are addressed. Once you have been checked in, your advisor will show you to our well-stocked lounge where you will find free coffee, snacks, and Wi-Fi while you wait. If you are unable to wait for your service, please ask your advisor about loaner car options. Your advisor will keep you updated throughout the service process. Upon completion of your service, your car will be hand-washed and dried before being returned to you. See? Quick and easy. A classic, you can relax and enjoy the difference.